you.
I have the shining star with the bat for the Kerala Strikers, Rajiv, who made some precious runs. Rajiv, first of all, well played. But the big question is it enough?
Thank you. Considering the fact that it's such a good batting wicket, it's a fighting score. That is what I can say, in fact. Well, they have got a very good batting lineup, but keeping in mind that we have got, we accept the fact that we don't have that depth in the batting order. So we have to stay there for 10 overs, and we did give them a fighting score, in fact.
Yeah, but the wicket of Arun was a very important one because you and Arun were having a good partnership at that stage.
Arun Bunny on the other side, it takes the pressure away, in fact. He's such a good striker of the ball. Once he starts middling the ball, it's so easy to find runs. So that eventually takes the pressure away from me, and he will let me score freely. But once such Arun got out, yeah, the pressure again mounted, and there were some crucial overs where a lot of dot balls were there. I think that was very crucial.
Being the final, some pressure also because if you take early wickets, you never know.
Exactly. Cricket is a gaze game, in fact. In fact, if God's grace, we can actually get some early wickets and put pressure on them. And God willing, we'll win the match. Thank you.
All the best and best wishes for the final.
Well, they're definitely aiming for the moon. The Kerala Strikers hoping to win their first title of CCL in the T10 Blast. Target of 85 for the Telugu Warriors. Not a very stiff target, but we've seen low-scoring matches turn out to be very exciting indeed. The asking rate will be 8.5 runs per over. When the Telugu Warriors come out, will they catch the target? We'll find out. For the moment, time for the Carbon Kamal catch.
Once again, I've got Rajiv with me. Rajiv, you're a big striker of a cricket ball. Now you need to do give some catches to these three men.
Definitely.
Okay, let's go for the Carbon Kamal catch. It's all in readiness. Rajiv, the man who really played well, he's got to do something different now. The first catch, oh, that's gone over the shoulder. Some time to retrieve the ball. That's exactly what I was mentioning, Rajiv. You can hit some big shots. Got a lot of power in your forearms. The next one. Oh, will he take it? Yes, he does. That's a good one. Oh, once again, that power is showing, Rajiv. That power is showing. Thanks for that, Rajiv. And all the best for the finals as well.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's back to the comms out there.